So recently I've been asked this question quite a lot, that if I could provide like a list of German universities that are the best for international students, or any particular university or any single university that is the top ranked or best for international students especially. So that's the reason that I'm basically making this video. So but before I share the name of the universities with you, or their rankings, or the way that you can find those universities and their rankings, I just want to say that actually the rankings in Germany, especially the rankings of German universities within Germany, I'm talking about, they really like do not have a huge impact, right? I mean, I'm not saying that they're really irrelevant. It's good to know, like if you know them, like the university that you're gonna study in the future, your prospective university, and what is the rank of that university, or what is the reputation of that university. It's probably good for you to know it, but it's not the only factor, or you should not keep it as a decisive factor that just because of that rank of a particular university, I'm going to take admission into that university. As I explained in my last videos, especially in the video that is titled why did I prefer TU Freiberg over TU Munich? Because I got admission into both. But and we all know that TU Munich is a very popular university, and it's always like very highly ranked. But I mean, I explained that before as well, that the most important thing that you should actually keep into consideration is that if the course that you're going to study in is the one that you really like, do you have the desire for that course? Like, you really want to study that course, or you just want to study at a university because that particular university is famous, or that is, the 10th top ranked university, or the 50th, or the first or second or third. So just do not, take it as the only factor when you're selecting the universities in Germany, because I can tell you that all the universities in Germany, they are quite prestigious, and especially I'm talking about the public universities, because I studied from a public technical university, so I can talk about those universities. And so I mean, even if the university is in a small town and it's really small, of course, I mean, if there's a bigger university, it might have a lot of funding, a huge student enrollment count, maybe that specific department has like more interaction with the job market. These are the factors, of course, they could vary with the location of the university, or the age of the university, or the number of professors, or the number of qualified professionals in that university, or so on and so forth. Like, there could be many factors, but I'm just saying that do not get obsessed about rankings of university in Germany, at least, because if you talk about like US or Canada or England or all the other countries, maybe the ranking is quite an important factor over there, but in Germany it's a bit different, right? Because all the universities, they are public, they are tuition free, there's no tuition fees for the universities, and except one state, that is in Baden-Württemberg. So that's why, I mean, I would recommend you to just take them just as a piece of information. So now I'm going to share with you the top ranked universities in Germany. So how are we going to do that? I'm going to take you through a portal, and the name of that portal is CHE Germany. So CHE stands for Center for Higher Education, CHE Germany. And there on that portal, you can actually find rankings of all the universities in Germany, and for all the respective departments, like for business administration, for engineering, for medicine, for law, for humanities, for linguistics, whatever subject you want to study here. So I'm going to take you through this portal. I'm going to demonstrate you how can you log into that portal, and how you can surf through and find the rankings of your desired course or your desired university. So first, let's take a look at it. All right, so let's start. Let's type CHE ranking here in the Google search bar, and that would show you this result, Hochschule ranking. You're going to click here. So this would lead you to the German version of the website, but you can convert it into English here. And here you would see CHE university ranking, and click here. Then that would basically tell you that the results are available at the ranking.site.de, because site is a newspaper and they're actually collaborating with the CHE ranking, so they would publish all the rankings with the help of CHE ranking. So you're going to click here the results at ranking.site.de. All right, so that's going to take you to this page. Okay, here you can see that you have all the ranking interface here, but before you proceed to check on the rankings, you're going to basically create an account on this website, and the account is free of cost, so anyone can create an account here. So I would go here on the Anmelden, which means login. So here I'm going to put my email address and the password here. So I have it already. I have my account here. So I'm going to just put it here, and I'm going to register. Put Anmelden. So now I am basically here. I'm logged in here. You can see that. So I can put my subject here to check the rankings for that particular subject. So as I told you before, the rankings are basically not only university-wise, but it's basically subject-wise. So every university offers different subjects at different departments, so you can check like which particular department is performing well at a specific university, where your field of interest is. So let's pick one from here. So let's take business administration from here. All right. So we're gonna select business administration. Then it's gonna ask us what type of institution or degree are you basically looking for the ranking. So we're gonna look for university or Fachhochschule, that is applied sciences. So let's check for universities and with masters. All right, so we have now selected two. Then let's hit show ranking, and here we are with the result. So you could see that we have the ranking here. These are the names of all the universities: Aachen, Augsburg, Bamberg, Bayreuth, Berlin. Here you can scroll down. Düsseldorf, TU near Freiberg is also here. So this list is actually in an alphabetical order, right? So here, if you hover here, you could see that, but you can also change it according to the rank groups. So if you click here, you would have a list like this. Basically, you just go there, hover the mouse here. So this 86 is actually the number of master's degree students enrolled in that particular university in business administration program. And this green dot, it represents a top group. So the yellow ones, they represent the middle one, and then there are bluish ones, so they are the bottom group. And one more interesting thing, that these are the filters that actually I used. You can actually use up to 6 filters, so that would be the criteria based on, you'll see the following results. So if you go here in the change criteria settings, so here you can actually see that here it says please choose up to 6 criteria. So here you can see that you could choose any other criteria. So they have so many options, like what kind of infrastructure or the library or the rooms your desired university is having, what are the courses offered, exams. And if you click on the question mark, that's basically give you like the answer of what that line exactly means. The number of students, or the job market and career orientation, research, even with the population of the town, or the student accommodation rent. So many options. You can choose your own filters. You can look for any course here. Okay, here are the colors. They're also being described: bottom group, middle, top. And you can just go here, select your desired department, your course, type of your university, and then check the rankings here. So that is basically how you can easily find which is the best university for you as an international student in Germany. And you can actually check it here free of cost. You just need to create your own account here. So that's all about CHE ranking. Let's get back to the video. So now you have taken a look at the CHE Germany portal, and you know that how can you find the rankings of the university or any specific course that you want to study. So that might be really helpful for you. And again, in the end, I'd just like to say that focus more on the course that you're going to enroll in. Should be the course that you really want to study, not because only the course is like highly ranked, so that's why you want to go there, right? And also the location of the course, as I mentioned in my last video. So if you need more explanation of that topic, so please do take a look at the university, the video that I made about why a small town and small universities could be good for you, and the other video that I made about like why small towns and small universities, they might not be good for you. So please do take a look at those 2 videos as well. That might be really helpful for you as well. And for those who are actually on my channel for the very first time, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you find this video helpful, so please do share it with people who are looking for this kind of information. And in the end, I'd just like to say thanks a lot for watching the video.